What's up everybody? My name is Sanal Rakam. In this video, I will show you how to read data from file operation with Electron. I will create the data reading codes from the file using the file system codes in Node.js. I have created an example for you to better understand the subject. First, I have added one file containing the data. The name of the file contents. This is here. And this data holds the information of the user's name, email, username, and password. Our application will allow us to log in the user using this data. Second, I will design a page that requires a username and password. I will print success if the values entered are equal to the values in the file. If it is not equal, I will write an error. Let's start. Firstly, I will show the codes I wrote. Open package.json. Main property is main.js. Then open main.js where Electron activation codes are available. This is here. Okay. And login.html set as main processor. Then we will design a form where username and password can be entered in login.html. I will design the button and input Bootstrap. So I wrote the Bootstrap extension is here. Power component, Bootstrap this CSS and Bootstrap min CSS. Let's coding. First, I will define a container. Okay, let's start. Div class is a container and close the div. And first, username input create. Okay, div class is a form group. Okay, close the div and define a label for username. Okay, username, label value, and close the label. Okay, and create the input. Input type is text. And name is username. ID is username. Okay. Okay. Define a placeholder. Enter user name. Okay. Class is form control. And last attribute required. Okay. Close the input. Okay. I created a username input and I will create a password input. So duplicate it and paste. And password, label value is password. And input type is a password. name and ID, password. Okay, password and password. Enter a password placeholder and class is form control. Okay, I wrote the username and password field. Now create a button. Okay, in container, let's define a div. Class is a form group. Close the div and define a button. Button class is button primary. And let's define an ID log to 5. Okay. And button value is log m. Okay. Finally, when printing the message after click the button and message area is a form group and not button, define a label and class is alert info, alert primary in Office. ID is a message. Okay, save it. And I will do the coding, create a page and read file here and new file and view.js. Okay, again open login.html and add a script tag in Vue.js. Dot slash Vue.js. Close the script tag. Okay. Now open the Vue.js is here. Let's define jQuery and file system. Let's dollar require is a jQuery and let's fs require fs. Okay. And let's keep the name of the contents file in file name. Let file name a content contacts. Sorry, contact is a file name is here. Okay, catch the moment when button is clicked. Control S and dollar button ID sharp log to file and log to file is a button ID. Okay, that's on clicked. Okay, and is here. Define a username and password input. Let username text is a dollar sharp username. Uh, this is ID username dot value, and let pass text, sorry, dollar sharp and password. Control S, and login name ID is password. Okay, that's value. So we can now capture the values entered into the inputs. Now we read all the data in the file. Okay, let data and fs dot read file synchron. Read file synchron. Okay, and first parameter file name. File name is a contact, and second parameter UTF-8. Okay, that split and backspace. Okay, convert the UTF-8 format, and I define an array based on the space. Let's write the console at the same time is a console dot log and data. Control S and run the Electron. Electron dot is here and console is here and login. I mistake. And click the button. Is console here, and as we can see, there are three string elements: 0, 1, true. Although there are two string data and contacts 1, 2. Okay, and name sanal rakam, email sanal.blah.com, username sanal rakam, and password 1234. And second string name sanal rakam 2, email sanal.blah.com, username sanal rakam 2, and password ABC. Okay, the system takes the trailing space as an element. Does not matter. Okay, close the application and open the Vue.js. We can now return in this array. Okay, data dot for each contact and index. This is a for each function. Okay, here and here. Now let's examine the contacts file. Okay, contacts here. As you can see, all the data are shown side by side and separated by a comma here and here, and here. Okay. Then we'll split the data by comma. We can access all the information of a user. Let name and email and user and password. Control S and open contact and first name, second email, third username, and fourth password. Okay, it is a string and contact dot dot split a comma. Okay, so we name each field name, email, user, pass. Let's print the namespace to the console and console.log and name. Control S and delete it. Okay. 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 Run the Electron. Here. Forget it. Okay. String contact dot split and console dot log name. Okay. Unexpected token dot. Okay. Data dot for each. Okay. I mistake and forget it and here and Control S and run the Electron here and click the button. Okay, doesn't work and okay, name. Okay, again, done. Click button is here. Name first element is a name is sanal rakam. Second name is sanal rakam too. Okay, and user console log user Electron, click button, and username Sanal Rakam, second username Sanal Rakam 2, and third parameter. It doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. And let's continue. There are two areas as seen. The first domain represents the name and the second field represents value. Operator colon separating these two fields. Okay. Let's define let property be 1 property 1 and user value user name. Okay, is a string user. This user is here and that split split column. Okay, and again passport area and password string pass dot split operator column. Okay, Let's print console. And this is a username and password. Okay, run the Electron here and okay. A mistake. I don't forget save and save it. And here, click the button. Property 1 is already been declared. Okay. Property 2 and save it and run the Electron. Click button is a channel rakam 1, 2, 3, 4 and second user channel rakam 2 and ABC. Okay. Delete the console log. Now we have accessed the usernames and password. Now let's check whether the data and the file is written to the input equally. And if user name text the input and user name is here. And pass text equal passwords. And here. Okay. If it is equal to a flag value, let's do this flag value and here let's I 0. Okay. And I 1. If I value 1 is a success, else print error. Okay. And out to for each. And if I equal 1, it is a success and sharp message dot text success else error. Okay. Okay. Run the Electron and contact is here. Sanal rakam and 1, 2, 3, 4. Sanal rakam and 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 5. Click the button. This message is error. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click the button. Success. Okay, this message is success and Sanal rakam 3. Click the button. This message is again success. Here is success once I have left the value of a success even if entered wrong. We need to set I to 0 in the success field to solve this is a problem. Okay. Is here and I is 0. Control S and run the Electron. Okay. Again. So contact is somewhere come to and password ABC. Okay. First wrong value. Error is here and sanal rakam 2 and password is ABC. Click the button is success and Wrong value password, click the button error, and ABC is success. Sanal rakam is and 1 2 3 4, click success. Wrong value error and 1 2 3 4, click success. Okay, yes, it is working. In this video, I will show you how to read data from file operation with Electron. Thanks for watching.